What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to show you how I do affiliate marketing on TikTok, and also I'm going to explain you how affiliate marketing works. So basically, affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and when someone buys from our affiliate links, we can make a commission. So we can go to some affiliate marketplaces such as clickbank.com, JVZoo, Share a Sale, to find products to promote. Now, I like to promote high ticket products like this one, the Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and the low ticket product is the 72-hour challenge. And this is my affiliate dashboard, and you can see I have here $71 in unpaid earnings. This company pays 40% commission, and if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. So that being said, if someone buys the product from any of these links, I can make a commission by promoting this product. Now let me show you. This is the actual product. As you can see, this is the high ticket product, Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. This is the low ticket product, the 72-hour challenge. So basically, in high ticket affiliate marketing, we promote high ticket products through the low ticket, because the 72-hour challenge only costs $9. But if that person who bought the 72-hour challenge from us wants, like for example, a more in-depth training, and if this person wants to scale their affiliate business to the next level, they can buy the high ticket product. And this is that product. So check this out. Here we have all the phases. Phase number 1, the 4 phases to freedom, and the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So basically, in this training, Jonathan Montoya teaches how to build this affiliate stacking of products. For example, we choose main core product, and then we need to choose supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3. And basically, we use sales funnel to collect the name and the email of the prospect, and then we send emails to promote all of those products. And once we have built that system, so check this out, phase number 1 is building this automated sales system. So this sales system works 24/7. Once we have built and we have set up this system, we need to send traffic to it. And that is why we have here all the traffic strategies. For example, how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos. If I scroll down, you're going to see faceless AI leads with Colton Heavens. If I scroll down, unlimited leads with Instagram. Check this out, Facebook Reels, DM closing, and here we have the automated traffic machine, which is basically how to utilize YouTube to drive customers to our sales funnel. So basically, this is the high ticket product. So they updated this training, they added this part, the sales 24/7 SEO. So this is how we can rank our websites on Google. And then we have phase number 3, increase conversion. So I'm working on this part. Phase number 4, how to automate and scale. So once we have built the system and we have all the things in place, so Jonathan Montoya teaches how we can hire a team and basically just like create the raw content, and this team is going to upload that content on all social media for us. So basically, this is the high ticket product, guys. Now let me show you. So here I'm utilizing this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So I don't drive traffic directly to these links. What I do instead is that I drive traffic to a sales funnel, which is this one, Freedom Ascension. So right now I'm here. So this is a software for building funnels. Like for example, we can do here all the marketing, the automation. We can build sites. We can, like for example, create memberships for our own courses, and we can do a lot of things with this software. Right now I'm the site side on funnels, and I'm going to click on the Freedom Ascension. So this is a sales funnel that I use to collect leads. So I drive traffic to this funnel, guys. So instead of driving traffic to my affiliate links, I drive traffic to this sales funnel, because I'm focusing right now on building my own email list. because once we have that information, we can promote multiple affiliate products. So that is why it's so important to collect emails. So check this out. Right now, I'm going to show you the sales funnel. So I have been using like another softwares, for example, ClickFunnels and GetResponse, and this funnel freedom that I use. So this works really well. And as you can see, these are the funnel steps. For example, here we have the free course opt-in. So this is the first page, and it has the second step, which is the bridge page. So let me go here. I'm going to open this page so you can see the actual page. And now, one important thing about collecting emails is that you need to give something in a way for that email. So for this funnel, I'm giving away a free course that I didn't create. Jonathan Montoya created this course for his affiliates, so we can give away that course for free. And so when people go to this page, they will read this information, how anyone can start the #1 beginner friendly fully automated business from home. They will scroll down, they will read here. For example, here I have my own picture because I'm building my own personal brand. And when people go here and click this button where it says take the free course, check this out, it's going to open this pop-up. Here, when people write their information, their name, their email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. Once I have that information, Funnel Freedom, the software, is going to send the free course through email, which are all these modules from module 1 to module 7. Okay, so that being said, guys, so this is like the first part that I have set up to promote multiple affiliate products. So I have software, I have this opt-in page to collect emails, I have the lead magnet that I'm giving away for free. And once I collect that information, Funnel Freedom is going to send multiple emails to my email list to promote multiple products, because basically that is the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So we have one main core offer. For me is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, which is a high ticket product, and then I promote multiple affiliate products with this system. I promote, for example, Funnel Freedom, I promote GetResponse, I promote TubeBuddy, and multiple affiliate products. Now, that being said, I'm going to go to my TikTok account so you can see I have right now 1071 followers. Now, one important thing about TikTok is that it's important to reach to 1000 subscribers, so you can put here your affiliate, your link here in the bio. So check this out. So when people go to my TikTok account and watch my videos, and if they click here, it's going to open one of my sales funnel to collect information, the name and the email, and then people are going to start receiving emails because I utilize email marketing strategies to promote those products, to promote products. Now, that being said, basically my content creation strategy, guys, is to create a long form video. For example, on YouTube, I do these lives, or I create a video. For example, I have here all these videos, and then what I do is that I use Opus clip to transform the long form videos into short form. For example, I have here all of these videos. These are the short form from this one, step-by-step tutorial. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to go to my TikTok account and click on this button where it says upload, and then I'm going to upload all of these videos that I have already in the short form content. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload, for example, 3 videos per day. So I'm going to drag and drop this one. So today is July 5th. I'm going to utilize this title. I'm going to paste it here, and also I'm going to add a hashtag, for example, affiliate marketing for beginners. Done. And then I'm going to click on this one because I want to upload this video. Let's say, for example, 12:45 today. So done, and then I'm going to click on this red button. Okay, done. So I'm going to upload another video, the second one. Get customers with YouTube. I'm going to copy this title and then I'm going to paste it here. Hashtag. I'm going to add only affiliate marketing. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click here. Let's say at 5:45 today. So I'm going to click on this one. And basically that is how I upload my videos on the TikTok platform, guys. And I'm going to do this. As you can see, it's very repetitive. So the most important thing here is to have all the short form videos ready to upload it onto your TikTok account. This one is about doing a research to find products to promote for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to copy this title and then I'm going to paste it here. Paste it. So I'm going to add a hashtag affiliate marketing. Let's say affiliate marketing tips. Okay, done. I'm going to click here, then I'm going to select the hour. Let me check. Okay, done. I'm going to click here. I'm going to upload the fourth videos. The fourth. How I build a thriving affiliate marketing channel. So how I'm going to copy this title and paste it here. I'm going to add a hashtag affiliate marketing. Let me see if I can find, for example, on YouTube. Affiliate marketing YouTube. Affiliate marketing training. I like this one. I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to click here. I'm going to choose the hour 8:45 and then the day, and I'm going to click here. Unlocking the power of YouTube for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to copy and paste this keyword. Hashtag affiliate marketing. For example, affiliate marketing step by step. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click here. Let me choose 150 and then the date. Done. So let's upload another video. and so on and so forth. I'm utilizing this strategy, guys, to grow my TikTok channel. So my main traffic source is YouTube, but TikTok is a powerful social media channel that we can use as well. The affiliate stacking ecosystem for affiliate marketing. So let's affiliate marketing for beginner. I'm going to click here, then I'm going to choose, let's say, $6.50 and the date. And I'm going to upload another video. So I like to do this strategy because in the past I was like uploading one video per day, but it's so much easier if I upload all the videos at once. So check this out, how I promote multiple affiliate products with funnel freedom. Hashtag, I'm going to add a hashtag affiliate marketing. For beginners, I'm going to scroll down, click here, and let me choose the hour 8:50 and the date. Done. So this is the last video, how I do YouTube affiliate marketing. I'm going to copy the title and paste it here. So for example, you can add more words in the description. So I'm going to do that for more videos, for another videos, but for this live training, I'm just showing you guys like this step-by-step tutorial. Like this is more easiest. Affiliate marketing tips, affiliate marketing. So I'm going to search affiliate marketing 2024. I'm going to click here and let me choose 12:50 and the date. And then I'm going to click here. Okay, done. So this is the strategy, guys, that I'm utilizing to grow my TikTok account. Now, one important thing is that those same videos that you are seeing here, so these ones, I did the same strategy on my YouTube channel. For example, if I go to the shorts tab of my YouTube channel, you're going to see that I have here those same videos. So I did it already for YouTube. So you can do this strategy as well. For example, you can upload this short form content on TikTok, on Instagram and Facebook Reels. So basically you can connect as well your Instagram account with your Facebook account. So you only upload one time the video, for example, on Instagram, and it's going to appear on your Facebook account. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon and God bless.